What is going on, good people? This is Cam with Elevated Lawnscapes, and we are back at it out here in the yard again. And whew, man, look at that cut. Hey man, color is still looking good. Lawn is looking good. We're like almost towards the end of July and that color is holding in there. That is one of the comments that I get a lot is, Cam, look at your color. Either whether it's the backyard, the test plot, or even the front yard is coming along. And the thing is, I apply 0 additional high iron products. I just don't do it. And we're gonna get into it in this video for the things that I actually do and the reason why you can get that color without applying those high iron products, because that solution is only temporary. So let's get into this video and I'm gonna give you a little tip at the end of it. All right, let's go. All right, y'all. Y'all know where we're at to talk about this first topic. We're talking about seed choice. And this is the test plot that I did a full renovation on last year. And if you have not checked that video out, I'll link it in the end card at the end of this video. When you're looking for a dark green lawn, you want to pick out the highest quality seed that you can. And in doing that, a lot of the newer cultivars have a genetic characteristic to just be darker in color than a lot of the older cultivars, as in Kentucky 31. Kentucky 31 is just genetically not as dark in color as a lot of the newer varieties are. So when you're making your seed choice, make sure that you're looking for those newer cultivars of seed that is gonna give you that dark color characteristic. The next thing that we want to talk about is grass type. Cool season lawns are just darker in color than most of your warm season lawns. Cool season meaning Kentucky bluegrass, ryegrass, tall fescue. Those are just normally have a characteristic of being darker in color. So just make sure that you're picking out a variety that's going to be the best for you and your lawn and the region that you're going to be growing it in. The second thing that we're gonna talk about is addressing nutrient deficiencies. I had to bring you over here to my front yard that has not been fully renovated. I have not done a full renovation on it and killed it off and started it over. But what I have been doing is addressing the nutrient deficiencies that are in this front lawn. I have a soil test and I have been applying the nutrients that were lacking in the soil and feeding that to the lawn. The thing is, if you are able to address your NPK and your other micronutrients, yes, iron is one of those micronutrients, but all of the other nutrients also help assist in making sure that you're getting the best performance out of your lawn. When you pull that full package together of a soil that has everything that the lawn needs to grow and thrive, you will see an increase in color. I am on the second year of working on this front lawn, and as you can see, the color is coming in really strong, and it is a natural color that I can believe that is going to be around for a long term. I'm not going to have to continuously apply an iron product to make it this color green. It's going to continue to stay this color as long as I apply the correct nutrients that the soil needs. The third and final thing that we're going to talk about is going to be adjusting your pH. pH is one of those things that is going to determine how much iron is actually available to the plant that's already in the ground. So a lot of you may get a soil test and it may show that you have a high amount or sufficient amount of iron already in your soil. The thing is, that iron may not be readily available to the plant because your pH may not be correct. Iron is a micronutrient that becomes less available to the plant with a higher pH. So if you're trying to make sure that you're utilizing that iron that is being shown in your soil test result, make sure that you're adjusting your pH to be in that optimal range, somewhere between that 6 and 7 If you can do it 6.5 is where you want to be to get that optimal utilization of the iron that's already in your soil. Now that we've talked about those 3 things, it's time to wrap up this video. But before we go, I'm gonna give you a quick tip. The thing is, get a soil test. Get a soil test prior to this fall, and in doing that, that will now allow you to start making your plan for your fall overseeding and thinking about what you need to do for your lawn plan in 2022. So now is the time for us to start making that plan and getting that into action. Check out our live stream that we did with the Workin team, where we covered preparation for fall overseeding on cool season lawns, or we also talk renovations if you're looking to do that. All right, y'all, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Again, this is not a video to say that applying irons is a bad thing. No, the only thing is that solution is only temporary. What we're looking for is a long-term immaculate lawn. So we're gonna do the things that we need to do to make sure that we achieve that goal long-term. All right, y'all, for y'all out there striving to have those immaculate lawns or gardens, just know we working.